Hey everyone, Gil here for GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about tarps. But first, just like to remind everybody, if you haven't subscribed, please click the red subscribe button down there, ring the notification bell, and hit that thumbs up button. Alrighty, tarps. I think just about every prepper has one or two tarps. This is going to be something that may set a few of you back on your heels. You should have, personally, I believe from experience that you should have two tarps for every member of your family. One tarp should be no smaller than a 5x7, and the other one should be no smaller than a 7x10. With these type tarps, you can do a lot of things in emergencies. And if you get some extra bigger tarps just to have in general, you can actually make a tarp teepee or a tarp tent real easy that the entire family can fit into. All right. So tarps, your friends for a lot of things. Covering wood piles, putting on the ground under sleeping bags, putting over a rope to help keep the morning dew off if you're out camping, whatever it is. Tarps is something you need to have several of in your preps. All righty. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on preparing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.